This is TechCrunch.
Nvidia announces Groot N1. I'm Imran Sheikh, and your Wednesday Daily Crunch starts now with 3 big headlines. Intel could be in for some significant changes as Lip-Bu Tan takes on the role of CEO. Intel's new CEO seems ready to get right to work to turn around the struggling company. The semiconductor giant's new executive is considering sweeping changes for the company's chip manufacturing and AI strategies, according to Reuters, including cutting middle management staff and revamping the company's approach to manufacturing chips. Tan reportedly told company employees that he would need to make tough decisions to get the company back on track. Tan was announced as Intel's new CEO last week. He rejoins the company on Tuesday after exiting Intel's board in August 2024 over clashes with Intel's former CEO Pat Gelsinger. Intel declined to comment. Google on Tuesday announced some new products and features aimed at healthcare use cases, including improved overviews in Google Search for health queries, medical records APIs, and new health-focused open AI models. Now, for in search, Google says it's using AI in ranking systems to expand knowledge panel answers on thousands of health-related topics and adding support for healthcare queries in Spanish, Portuguese, and Japanese on mobile. Search already provided knowledge panel answers for ailments such as the flu or the common cold, but the update greatly expands the number of topics the knowledge panels cover, the company said. Google's also debuting a search feature it's calling What People Suggest on mobile in the U.S. to highlight content from users with shared experiences relating to health conditions. For instance, if someone asks about common exercises for people dealing with arthritis, What People Suggest will collate reports from various forums around the web using AI. What People Suggest builds on capabilities like Google's Personal Health Stories feature on YouTube and seems pretty clearly aimed at keeping people from leaving search for Reddit, and other sources of health advice. Google on Tuesday also launched new medical records APIs globally for its Health Connect platform for Android devices. Now, these will help collect data from medical providers and let users see this data across different apps, as well as make it easier to access the info on devices like phones, Google said. Nvidia is releasing what it's calling an AI foundation model for humanoid robotics. Announced at GTC 2025 in San Jose, the model, dubbed Groot N1, is a generalist model trained on both synthetic and real data. Nvidia claims that Groot N1 features a dual system architecture for thinking fast and slow, inspired by human cognitive processes. Groot N1 is an evolution of Nvidia's Project Groot, which the company launched at its GTC conference last year. Now, Project Groot was geared toward industrial use cases, but Groot N1 broadens the focus to humanoid robots in a range of different form factors. Groot N1's slow thinking system lets a robot perceive and reason about its environment and instructions, and then plan the right actions to take, according to Nvidia. As for the fast thinking system, it translates the aforementioned plan into robotic actions, including actions that involve manipulating objects over multiple steps. Groot N1 is available in open source. Alongside the model, Nvidia is releasing simulation frameworks and blueprints for generating synthetic training data. No word yet on whether or not Asimov's 3 laws of robotics will be included. That's your Daily Crunch. Today's stories were reported by Ivan Mehta, Rebecca Shkutak, Kyle Wiggers, and more beautiful, lovely TechCrunch journalists. We'll see you here tomorrow, same tech time, same Crunch channel. And until then, find us having robot dreams at TechCrunch.com.